you filthy animals. Today I'm gonna take you along on what I guess a full day looks like with me being a full-time van lifer. So y'all follow along. Let me just go ahead and throw some clothes on real quick. So typically my morning starts off with a nice kiss to my dog. Good morning. Even though she doesn't want it. Cooking some breakfast. And then of course, a nice ice cold Red Bull. Oh. Remember, y'all, do not forget to pop your dang window open. These grills create carbon monoxide and it can kill you and puppies. So be safe. We have got our masterpiece, baby. Now you can never forget some butter rich syrup put all over it. Make it nice and unhealthy. Pretty dang good. Now of course, living in a van, I never let any food go to waste. Right behind this camera, I got a pet horse that travels with me. So all of these goodies are going right in here. There you go, baby. Breakfast in bed. There you go. Now, after I eat breakfast, normally I'll go take me a steamer. Now, luckily, since I am staying in my buddy's driveway in Seattle for the next couple days, there's a toilet right in his house. I don't have to go find one. So once I get all my morning festivities done, I normally head straight on to the gym. We'll go ahead and get us a good workout in, baby. So I made it to Anytime Fitness. Now, just as a heads up to anybody that wants to get a gym membership, I just got mine. My scan tag will not work at every single location until after the first 30 days. So if you do want to go to the gym and you have Anytime Fitness and you're within your first 30 days and you're traveling and you're not at your home gym that you originally signed up at, all you have to do is go during hours, like when they're actually open. So they're open 24/7 as long as your scan tag works, but this one specifically is open from 10 to 6. And all I gotta do is knock on the door and they'll let me right in and get my workout in. Yep, nice meeting you too. Once I'm done cooking breakfast, typically if I have anything to do on the van, I try to get it done. So today I've actually got 2 ABS sensors that went bad and I've got to change my oil. Fun. We've got the goods secured. So thankfully, since I'm in Seattle, Washington, I have a buddy's house that I'm gonna do all my work at real quick. So he's got an oil pan and a driveway that I can change all my parts in. So that's what we're gonna head back to right quick. All right, so we're back at the crib. We're gonna go get all the tools that we need and get rolling on getting these ABS sensors in and then get my oil changed. So the first part I'm gonna go ahead and replace are these ABS sensors in the back. I've been having an issue with my cruise control and my brakes. So I'm crossing my fingers that ABS fixes that. We shall see. So we just finished those ABS sensors. Hopefully that fixes my cruise control and my brake problem. If you look at the old sensors, they're very dirty. I probably honestly could have cleaned them instead of spending $130 on sensors, but I already bought them, so might as well use them. Next up, we're gonna get that oil change real quick. So we got the new ABS sensors in, we got the oil changed. So typically around 12:30, 1 o'clock, I go ahead and make lunch. I'm pretty simple with my lunch. I just kind of make a sandwich and put some Pringles on it as well. Great value brand Pringles because we can't afford the legit stuff. Maybe one day. So this fine specimen of sandwich, it's just mozzarella cheese, mayo, ham, and a little bit of great value Pringles. Perfect.
Come on. She likes it.
Now I've got to go ahead and do a little bit of laundry. So we're gonna head to the laundromat real quick. So now that we have finished all our chores for the day and the errands, we're gonna go head to Whidbey Island because your boy here is buying a snowboard. So we're gonna go catch a ferry real quick. Made it to the ferry station and they allow puppies. So we're bringing Lola Pup to go get the snowboard. Scanning on the wrong thing. There we go, come on. Thank you. This is pretty freaking cool. Huh. Never been on a ferry before. What are you doing, puppy? What you doing? You may also see rotating amber beacon. So we have secured the snowboard goods, guys. This thing is freaking sweet. I'll pull it out here in a second once I get home and I'll show it to y'all. There's the beast. Got some boots that came with it. There is the board. Pretty freaking dope board. So I don't know, I'm pumped to use it. It was cheaper for me to buy a board than it was to rent a board for 3 days. So I only paid 250 bucks.
So now that we just got done picking up that snowboard, we're gonna go ahead and get some dinner. Your boy's being a little bit too lazy tonight and does not feel like cooking any food. So we're gonna go run a Panda Express real quick and get some orange chicken, baby.
Hello, can I do just an orange chicken plate with fried rice?
Ho, buddy. Talk about some heaven on earth, boy. Got that double orange chicken and some fried rice.
So surprisingly, I actually have really good service here. So I got a couple buddies that are gonna hop on some Fortnite with me. If y'all did not know, I've got my flat screen TV right here. Got my Xbox One right here in the corner. Played a couple times with the hotspot and I didn't lag at all. Actually played pretty dang good. So I highly recommend it for anybody who likes the game. I got AT&T, so been pretty mint.
All right, where are we going? Wait, Bar, how am I a higher level than you? I literally only get on when you get on. Oh, shoot. God, no, wrong gun. Oh, I knocked him down, but... Oh, I used the wrong gun, dang it. I'm dead, I'm dead. Oh, no. Oh, what the? Haha. Yes, got him. Seriously? No. Oh, dude.
And I think that's going to do it for this episode, y'all. You can see little pups already stashed up under the blankie. She's ready to go to sleep and cuddle. So I will see y'all in the next episode, and thanks for watching. Bye.